Well, hi, this is Custom Works. I'm Clint Allen, and great Scott! DeLorean Motor Company is back. Well, kinda, sorta. This whole thing is kinda, sorta. Actually, they haven't been gone. In 2005, Texas entrepreneur Stephen Wayne bought the rights and the branding for the DeLorean Motor Company. And I'm sure he has had a vision of where he wanted to take it, but in the meanwhile, he was just servicing and rebuilding the original DMC DeLorean, which, was in production for 2 years, made somewhere around 9,000 vehicles, so this couldn't have been a big breadwinner. But they're planning on coming out with an EV. Let's take a look. Well, DeLorean Motor Company appears to be taking another shot at the going back to the future, teasing plans to reinvent itself as the maker of electric vehicles. DeLorean, best known for the appearance of its iconic but ill-fated car in 1985 movie starring Michael J. Fox, released a 15-second teaser video this week hinting at its upcoming plans. The future was never promised. Reimagine today, is what the company said on Twitter. The short clip features a silhouette of a car with the DeLorean distinct Gulf wing doors. In accompanying the tweet, the company mentioned the premiere of the DeLorean in 2022, and hashtag suggests the rebuilt would be electric vehicle. DeLorean Motor Company website has few details, if basically anything, and looks like most of it is all computer generated. But the public can expect from the relaunch, officials said the firm is planning to set up its official global headquarters in Port of San Antonio in Texas. An increasingly competitive electric vehicle market, San Antonio is ready to lead, according to the mayor. By planning to establish their global headquarters in San Antonio, DeLorean is validating the talent, strategic preparation, and adaptability of our region provides the EV manufacturer to survive. And said its arrival in San Antonio was contingent on the final approvals of various incentive packages. The company said the relaunch will support 450 jobs across executives, management, and engineering roles. DeLorean hasn't released any details about the electric vehicle itself. It's in its current form. The company provides service and support for the remaining DeLorean vehicles that are left on the road. The company, while the DeLorean has maintained a novelty appeal due to its Back to the Future roots, just 9,000 of the vehicles were ever produced. The original company struggled for years after going into bankruptcy in 1982. Well, this is the information that we have to work with today. Hope you enjoyed the concepts. Smash that like button. If you'd like to see other videos that we have, hit our video library. Certainly subscribe if this is something that is in your niche. And until then, you take it easy and you have a good day.